Hey guys, before I start this video, I just want to give a shout out to Nick Acevs. Sorry if I butchered your last name there, but guys, he's the first one to like a video actually. So he gives a shout out, guys. I'm gonna do some incentives here, some rewards, shout outs, whatever, guys. So keep an eye out for those. Smash the thumbs up button, guys. You might get a shout out. Yo, what's up, guys? It's Robot IQ here. If you haven't noticed, I did change the name. Doing a couple of changes to our channel here, trying to get us up and running. Anyways, I'm getting ready to install the new parts on the 3D printer. So I repackaged them up, keeping them safe till today. I did the review of them yesterday, guys. If you haven't seen any other videos, go ahead, subscribe, like, comment. Have any suggestions for future videos, go ahead, smash that thumbs up button. Put them down in the comments below. I'll try to respond to you guys. Here we go, yeah. I'm just going to take them out of the package again, lay them out for you guys. Just give you a reminder of what we're going to do today. Okay? So, get these things out of here. Now, here is the limit switch that I inspected and found the what had caused our issue. Get it focused for you guys there. So, only the solder on the limit switch and not on the wires themselves. Again, guys, I didn't cut any wire off. I just took off heat shrink tubing. That's all I did. This was just sitting there. Wasn't making good contact. And that's why our limit switches weren't working. So, that's our faulty limit switch there. Guys, here's our limit switches. I actually did find one extra because the printer only needed 3. I guess it came with 4 in the box, so I installed the extra limit switch. I made sure it worked. I installed that underneath the build plate because that's kind of hard to do on camera for you guys. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be installing the one on the X-axis carriage. Okay, so the one for the Z-axis works, the one for the bed works, the Y-axis. Okay, so our ZX carriage, the one that holds our hot end. ZX carriage. What country is this? That's what we're going to be replacing the limit switch on, guys. So we'll actually have 3 leftovers. So that's just excellent. Okay, so that's those. Let's get to our belt here. So here's our belt, guys. It came with the full 2 meters. I'm only going to be using 1, so I'll have an extra meter in case I have a break or it stretches an insane amount, which I don't think will happen. So we're going to be putting our belt, guys, again on our X-axis where our hot end is. So we're going to be doing that today. Let's get into our final piece of equipment here. The turbine fan or the turbo fan, whatever you guys want to call it here. So again, our DC brushless model SD12 SLM 12 volt 0.1 amps. So we're going to be installing this, guys. This is the fan that blows on the material itself as it comes out of the printer. So stay tuned for that, guys. See you in a bit. Guys, I'm back. Robot IQ here. So I'm going to be installing the belt first. I'm just going to put it on and then I'm just going to cut off the extra. So you start over here on our stepper motor. So we feed it around here. Okay. Take the other end. Feed it through the other half of our pulley. We just pull it tight here. Make sure it stays on the pulley. Okay. Guys, it's around our pulley now. As you can see. So now I'm going to bring it through here and put it on the other side of the locking mechanism. So I'm gonna move you guys over here for a second. I'll rotate the printer around. You guys can see the back of it there. Our top. Okay. Our bottom. We'll put our top over here for a second, because we're going to attach the bottom to the locking mechanism. Okay guys, I'm just going to pull this through here, get rid of the excess. And I'm going to put it in there. Alright guys, as you can see, tripod here. As you can see, the bottom part of the belt is in there, right here. So now I'm gonna take it through the other side of the other pulley. Try to get you guys won't be able to see it. It's on the other side, but I'll show you guys when I get it. I'll show it to you guys when I get it done. So I'll just feed it through here. You guys can see. Good enough. Feed it through here. Puts it around the one side of the bearing. Pull up the slack. And then feed it through the bottom on the other side of the bearing. Pull up our slack. Okay guys, so as you can see, I got the belt through. Now, we just take it and we put it through this side of the tensioning mechanism. And we wrap it over top. Now, I'm going to take a little screwdriver here. A little flathead screwdriver. Okay, I'm just gonna push the belt in there a little bit more, make sure it's in there real good. And then while I have the screwdriver, I'm gonna go ahead and do that on the other side as well. So we take our belt over top. And we take a couple zip ties, little zip ties, about maybe 4-inch. Okay, and you just wrap it on your belt. So continue with you guys. So as you can see, I got the zip ties on. Now I'm just gonna cut off the extras with a pair of side cuts that were provided with the 3D printer. Okay, and now I'm gonna get the rest of the belt here snipped off. Okay, I'm gonna get the other parts ready, and I'll be back to you guys when I get that done. Okay, guys, I got the limit switch here. I'm gonna go ahead and screw that on. It goes right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and screw that on for you guys. I'll come back when I got that done. As you can see, I got the limit switch on there. I routed the wire through here, and I plugged it in on Arduino board. So, guys, I'm gonna get the fan ready, and I'll come back to you guys when I got that done. Guys, so I got the fan here. I just routed the wire, some zip ties through there. So now I'm just gonna mount it on there, and I'll come back when I got that mounted on there. And I put the wires in my Arduino board. So, that's about it, guys. See you in the next video. Robot IQ here.